Good afternoon again, OW photography students and parents and families. Again, I hope that this video finds you all doing well, staying healthy, and surviving out there at home during this time. Today, we launched our district e-learning, and so I wanted to reach out to you with what to do moving forward in photography class. So we're going to take a more in-depth look at what assignments you can complete, what you need to be doing to complete them, if you need help, talk about our Zoom meetings, and hopefully answer all of your questions that you have and you've been emailing me over the weekend and today. So let's go ahead and get started. If you are a student who is failing, I have contacted you via email or phone call and your parents and your guardians. So please be checking your email inboxes for that. There were a few that did get sent back that I will be making some more phone calls to try and reach out. Those students have 48 hours to contact me back before I refer you on to your grade level administrator, and then they will be reaching out and contacting you as well. So please make sure that if you are somebody that you are not passing photography class, you check your emails and check your information from me so that we can get started right away at getting you going on making an academic plan and getting some work started. If you are any student that wants to raise your grade, what you need to be doing is also contacting me, letting me know that you're interested in raising your grade, but also after you've taken a look at the OW photography class website and decided what assignments you want to complete. So any student, whether you are failing or passing, and you just want to raise your grade, what you need to do is right here, right now. So everyone, open up your computer, follow along if you need to, and we can get it all figured out. So what you're going to want to do is go to the OW Photography Class webpage. It is owphotographyclass.weebly.com. This is the website we've been using all quarter so far. The link is also in the email that you got this video from. So from here, what you need to do, all students, whether you're basic or advanced, click on the Basic Digital Photography tab. And we're now over here. It's this section, the blue button, that's titled Spring 2020 E-Learning Photography Assignments. Anybody who traveled to the Win Friday page, this is going to look familiar to you. A lot of the assignments I pulled from that as well. So down here are the assignments that you have to choose from to earn credit during our fourth quarter of e-learning. I am not using the assignments that are on the district portal that they rolled out this morning that's on the olatheschools.org page. I am using more photography specific assignments that we've probably covered in class and you'll have some good basic knowledge over. So just a fair warning, some of these do require Photoshop. And if you're anybody that wants to edit your photos, that's great. Remember, you have access to all of the Creative Cloud Adobe Suite through your district email. So if there's down at the bottom, there is a whole section that if you're somebody that you want to download Photoshop or Bridge to get Camera Raw, or maybe you want to check out Lightroom, the directions for this are right here on my class webpage. So please make sure that you follow along step by step. There's also a video tutorial on how to do this as well. I also have included a link on how to get to the tech department if you need help with anything technology. This will take you to the web page that is the Olathe Schools e-learning continuous learning web page. You'll scroll down and right here is the Olathe Public Schools Tech Help Desk. When you click on that, it'll automatically open up a message to the help desk for you to fire away and ask questions. You could also ask me any questions as well. I'll try my best to help. But these are the assignments for you to choose from. So once you have decided what assignments you are capable and willing to participate in and complete, you will email me. My email is jchowe@olatheschools.org, or you can contact me through the homepage of our class website right here. Need to contact Mrs. Howe? Fill this out. And you are going to contact me and say, yes, Mrs. Howe, I am interested in raising my grade. These are the assignments that I want to complete during this e-learning time. And you need to list your assignments, because then what I am going to do is I am going to create an academic contract for myself and you and your parents or guardians to sign that will detail the assignments that you're agreeing to work on, and that you are going to work on those and submit them during this time. Anybody, whether you are passing or failing, that wants to or needs to work on work, you need to have this completed and emailed to me by April 17th. If you do not have this completed, or at least reached out to me by April 17th, you will not be allowed to submit work. So that's for folks that are just wanting to raise their grade. Again, people who are failing, it is mandatory. We will be getting a hold of you and having you on a contract so that you can get work completed and get your grade raised so that you can pass and get credit for photography class. So your first important date is April 17th. That is when you need to have reached out to me and sent me an email letting me know what assignments you're going to work on. After that, I will draft a contract for you and email it to you, and it'll walk you through step by step on how to sign that and turn that back in to me. Once you have that done, you are free to get started on your work. Your work is due back to me by May 15th. So don't put it off until the end. Please do your work, get it turned back in, and then I can get it graded. That way, if you don't get a grade that you're happy with, you are more than welcome to rework and resubmit like we always do in class. So your assignments are still being turned in through your Student Weebly website. So please make sure that you log into Weebly.com and can access your website. I'm not going to be doing submissions through email. That's way too much. That's making sure that you've got the right file type and a whole bunch of junk there. So please make sure that you are using your student website as well. And so there are directions in the assignments. I'm blogging that too. Let me see here. We will be having some Zoom meetings 3 times a week. So my goal is for Monday, Wednesday, Friday. 2 of them will be strictly academic. So if you have any questions regarding an assignment or a project, you can join the Zoom meeting. They're not required. They're just if you want to check in, say hi, get some social interaction, ask some questions. That's probably going to be the best way to get some help, is that Monday, Wednesday, Friday. The one on Friday, we can start out with some academic questions if you have them. Otherwise, we're going to move on and do some fun things. So if you're somebody who's bored and you need some time or some help filling your time during this shutdown, stay at home, tune in. Each week is going to be something different. We may do a cupcake decorating contest. We may do some origami. We may do some cool photography stuff. I'm just going to keep it different so that we can just keep learning new things and keeping ourselves busy during this stay-at-home time. Our first Zoom meeting is going to be Wednesday at 1 p.m. Wednesday, 1 p.m. this Wednesday. So I will be sending links to the Zoom meetings through email. You cannot just log into the webpage and click a link and you're there. So I have to send it to you via email. So please make sure that you're checking your emails and very frequently, and also checking on the webpage as well. Last, if you are needing to take some new pictures, because we can't get a hold of any of our work that's on our school computers. Unfortunately, that's stuck at school. We're not allowed up at school. I'm not even allowed up at school. So that work is there. I'm still trying to figure out what we're going to do about retrieving that work if you're somebody that wants to get it when we get back in the fall. But if you are taking pictures, you're more than welcome to use a camera that you have at home. I have a lot of students that have parents that have cameras. If you have a neighbor or a family member that's willing to let you borrow a camera, that's fine. You could also just use the camera that's on your phone. I mean, as long as you are covering the skills that I'm asking you to cover in those assignments, you're more than welcome to use your cell phone. So if you're somebody who doesn't have access to any kind of a camera, please make sure that you contact me so that I can get something worked out for you that would be more of an alternative assignment that wouldn't require pictures. So hopefully I covered everything. If you have questions, remember you can email me. You can also wait until those Zoom classes. Our very first one is this Wednesday at 1:30 p.m., 1:30 in the afternoon. Y'all should be done sleeping in by then. So you should be awake and hopefully had breakfast at that point. So I'm really looking forward to seeing your faces. I miss each and every one of you. I can't wait to see you on Wednesday. Keep the questions coming if you have them. And again, please stay safe. Stay healthy, stay home, and stay sane. I love you guys, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.